Hello everyone! It's quite a long time since I last uploaded a real video. Well, hope all is great with you all. As you can see here, we're on our way to our flat or apartment here in Abu Dhabi. You can see a beautiful sun's about to set in a few hours or minutes then. So we decided to share our place here in UAE. Now we are trekking down Accomodation Road. This is in Abu Dhabi, the capital of United Arab Emirates, also known as the UAE. Believe it or not, this whole area is a reclaimed area. There is a Hilton Hotel, which is now a Radisson's Blue Hotel. But in the near future, it will be my honor to give you the full tour of this amazing Corniche Road, where you can find the best skyscrapers of the capital, and as well as the most special public parks. Opposite of this road, you can walk through the public beaches as well. So in the next coming videos, I would love to show you that. Well, you're about to see the hospital accommodation provided by the government, but we also have the option to stay anywhere, and the cost will be shouldered as well by the hospital, whether in cash or be paid to the apartment owner. So we're just here in the corner. At the back of this buildings will be our accommodation. We're lucky to have a 24 hours supermarket around the area. And of course, banks are available everywhere. Driving in the capital is just so very safe. And yes, of course, you can drive at any time here. For now, we don't have curfew at all, so anytime you can drive around the city. Or and now we would love to welcome you to our 2-bedroom flat. This is the entrance area. We also keep our shoes here and some stuff. And we're now entering our salon or the living area. It is quite huge for the two of us and my husband. This area serves also as our TV room. There you are. Our music room, our chill room. And these are our 2 grown-up kids. Use them big time. As you can see, my husband is a plant lover. He's a plantito, and I am not. So the whole flat is overlooking a window, or the whole flat is surrounded by a window. And welcome to our kitchen. Our kitchen is a typical Filipino kitchen. I mean, when it comes to food and stuff. There is again, it's overlooking the whole balcony area as well. You're looking to a typical Filipino kitchen here. Of course, you're a Filipino if you know this food defect. And of course, the magic chicharon. Okay. That's most of our kitchen. So, oh yeah, the kitchen, of course, the washer is also just in the kitchen because it doesn't fit into the washing area. I mean, so from the entrance in the kitchen, we're heading to our first bedroom. Going straight this hallway to the left is the first bedroom. Should be for our adult kids, but because they're now in the Philippines. But our visitors stay here. Mostly my younger brother visits from Dubai, so they stay here. For now, this serves as my mini studio. This also has a door, glass door, I mean, and that opens to the balcony as well. Oh, if I might mention as well, when it gets cold here, it's really getting cold. When it's hot in summertime, it really gets hot because we're very near the beach area. So this is the first bedroom. So let's go far left. Oh, that right, this door is the guest bedroom. It's a full bedroom as well. So we're entering our main bedroom. Excuse please, our staff dog played again with our linens. The main bedroom has also a glass door. We have a very mini style here, and sometimes I need to read some stuff, so I do stay here in our bedroom. Of course, we love to hang our clothes inside the bedroom because it gets too windy or sometimes there's sandstorm in the balcony, so we keep our clothes inside the bedroom. So that's about it. Well, thank you all guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. We wish to show you the whole corniche or what it looks like outside our accommodation. We'll keep healthy and be safe always. Thank you.